Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and we are answering publicly posted questions from avo.com, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. That's better, right? Um, Here is our question. What do I do if my lawyer doesn't want to give me my W-2 after I was fired? I was fired from my job after being sexually harassed by a manager, and now I am told I cannot get my W-2 because I am banned. Okay. So it sounds like there's possibly some confusion going on here. It sounds like you hired an attorney to represent you in a sexual harassment case, right? That attorney would not necessarily have your W-2 form. Your employer has that, right? Now, your employer does still have to give you your W-2 form. And one of the things you can do if they won't give it to you is you can contact the IRS or potentially your state taxation authority and say, hey, my employer won't give me my tax documents that I require to file my taxes. I need your help. And the tax authority or the IRS would, generally speaking, be like, yeah, let me help you with that, because if you get paid, we get paid, right? I mean, I guess more accurately, if you get the tax forms, we get paid, right? That's the IRS standpoint of the whole thing. They want you to get your tax form. It's required by law that you receive your W-2. Now, there's another thing that could be going on here. You may have settled your sexual harassment case. Possibility. You didn't say that in your question, but it's possible. Now, generally where that happens, there's going to be probably a mix of a W-2 and a 1099 form. Have you received any tax forms yet? If you received nothing yet and you have a settlement, I would give your attorney a call and say, hey, I haven't got any of the documents I need. Can you follow up for me? A good employment attorney will say, sure, let me try to help you out. They don't have the forms. They're not withholding the forms from you. But even if the case is over, I would think most people in our industry, at least certainly our firm, would reach out and try to get that form for you. Just a matter of decency, right? It's hard for you to contact your ex-employer, especially after you had a case. It's very tense. They don't want to talk to you. You don't want to talk to them. The least we can do is reach out to opposing counsel and say, hey, I don't even know if you're still representing this company, but we need these forms, right? And the least opposing counsel can do is reach out to their client or their ex-client and say, hey, you idiots, get the plaintiff their forms before you have more trouble, right? I hope this helps. If it's something else, and maybe I misunderstood your question, just post. If you want to post a question on the comment on the video, I'll try to respond to that. I want to make sure that I'm actually answering your question. Also, while you're there, consider liking and subscribing. It does help me to help more people just like you. Thank you. Take care.